NotebookLM is a powerful tool for researchers, and I'll show you how to create stunning infographics, whether it's just one video or a complete YouTube channel. If you don't have any source, AI will do all the research and create the infographic for you. Let's start the video. First, open your browser and navigate to notebooklm.google. Once you're on the page, click on Try NotebookLM to get started. Now, create a new notebook by clicking on the appropriate button. You'll see an option to click on Add Source and then select Websites from the drop-down menu. Here you can insert any kind of link from the internet, whether it's a blog post, article, or even a video. For this example, I have a video about faceless niches, so I'll copy its link. Paste the link into the field and click on Insert. The video is now added as a source to your notebook, and NotebookLM will automatically analyze and process the content. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice there's an infographic button. Click on Edit to customize your infographic settings. Here you can choose the language for your infographic, which is particularly useful if you're creating content for international audiences. Then you can choose the level of detail with 3 options available: concise, standard, or detailed. Let's choose detailed for now to get the most comprehensive infographic possible. Now, here's a special prompt that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste it into the prompt field, and it will make the infographic visually better and more appealing. After that, you need to choose the orientation for your infographic: landscape, portrait, or square. Let's generate it in landscape first and see what we get. The system is now generating the infographic based on all the information it extracted from your source. While that's processing, let's also generate it in portrait orientation so we can compare the two formats. Here's the landscape version, and as you can see, it's showing almost everything about the 3 niches in a beautifully organized layout. Now here's the portrait version. It's missing some details compared to the landscape version, but it still looks good and would work perfectly for social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest that favor vertical content. Now let's generate it again, but this time in standard level of detail to see the difference. This one is looking really good because it only included the necessary and concise details, making it easier to digest at a glance without overwhelming the viewer with too much information. Now let's take things to the next level and increase the number of sources. Here's a notebook from my previous video where we imported 96 videos from Ali Abdul's YouTube channel. This is going to create a much more comprehensive infographic. Click on Edit Infographic, select the level of detail as Detailed, and paste the same prompt we used earlier. NotebookLM is now processing all 96 video sources simultaneously. Here it is, a complete guide to productivity, entrepreneurship, and well-lived life. It's basically the extract of the whole Ali Abdul channel condensed into one beautiful, comprehensive infographic. This is incredibly valuable because it synthesizes hours and hours of content into a single visual reference that anyone can understand quickly. Now let's suppose we need an infographic about the Nano Banana Pro. The common method is to copy the source link from a website or article. But what if we don't have any source? What if we just have the topic only and no specific links to reference? This is where NotebookLM's research capabilities truly shine. Below the source section, enter your topic, which in this case is Nano Banana Pro. Now, switch from fast research to deep research mode. When you select deep research, the AI will do all the research for you, and it will search the whole internet to find the most relevant and reliable sources about your topic. You don't have to spend hours searching and collecting sources yourself. The AI is now working in the background, gathering information from multiple websites, articles, and sources. Now it has collected 40 sources automatically, which is impressive. Click on Import, and they will all be added to your notebook instantly. Then simply generate the infographic in the same way we did before. As you can see, it's saying that the infographic is based on 41 sources, which gives it incredible depth and credibility. Here, a beautiful infographic is generated with the title, The Nano Banana Pro Universe, unpacking the AI, the hardware, and the name collision. This comprehensive visual breaks down everything you need to know about this topic. Let's generate it in portrait orientation as well, and in standard level of detail to see how it adapts. This is truly a game-changing tool for anyone who needs to process and present information in a visually compelling way.